Hello and welcome. Today I'll be sharing with you guys my wash day. So I'm going to wash this mad and crazy hair, and I will be showing you one of the things I do on my wash day. For not talking much, let's go straight to this video. To start, I'm going to be using egg and coffee treatment. Guys, I tell you, this treatment is so good. This treatment helped me so much in my hair growth journey. When I decide to be natural, this is what I start with. It helps me a lot. So you mix your honey. I'm going to start with the egg, using also the egg white. I'll be using everything. You can choose to use only the egg yolk, but I will be using the both. No, I'll be taking like a whole tablespoon of my coffee. This treatment is going to help you repair your hair damage, also give you a very nice darker color and thicken up your hair strand. This treatment works a lot, I tell you guys. If you have not tried it, try it, but not just once. I'm mixing everything to make sure that all the coffee and the egg smooth together. I just used 2 eggs. I know there will be enough for my hair. My hair is not that long, so 2 eggs would be enough. If you have a longer hair, you can use more or less if you choose to. I'm going to also add honey inside. Also a tablespoon of honey. Do you guys know that egg is one of the best hair loss treatment? For me, it's one of the best hair loss treatment. It works so good together. Again, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. And castor oil is very good in growing your hair and also thickening up your hair. It's a great oil and also a great conditioning and sealing oil. So again, I'm going to add some of my homemade oil. Again, about 2 tablespoons, mixing everything together. Egg has a lot of vitamin inside. It contains vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin B12 and zinc, and also coffee helps to stimulate your hair growth, and that makes everything we have mixed here a perfect mix for our hair. So what I'm going to do is to transfer everything here. This product is so running, and if you don't put it in your application bottle, it can be so difficult to work with. So I'm just going to transfer everything in here and apply it on my hair. In here I have just water, warm a bit. I'm going to apply all of that on my hair. Warm water helps a lot in losing my coils. That's why I use warm water most of the time. And I'm not using my best t-shirt for this because I know it's going to get dirty with the egg. Not too much water because the egg is also running. So that's why you don't need to apply too much water. Make sure you work everything well to your scalp, because this is also a scalp treatment. And on the ends, you see, this is what I was talking about. But it's also good for your skin. Egg is good for skin and coffee as well. So it's nothing bad at all. You can as well apply this as your face mask. There are so many other products that take time, like weeks or months to appear when you work them in your hair, like show that here I'm working in your hair. But not for this coffee and egg. It stops your hair shedding immediately. So I'm just using the rest egg to apply all over my hair because I don't want to waste any left out. So please, after washing, when you want to wash your hair, before you wash your hair, make sure you remove it in the twist. You don't want to wash the egg in the twist because the egg will not go out very well. So you remove your twist and make sure you shampoo your hair very well and not use hot or warm water because this egg is going to cook in your hair. I have done this before. The first time I done this, the egg cooked in my hair. So please guys, don't let that happen to your hair. Make sure you use cold water or just a little bit of the room temperature water. Don't let it be hot, okay? I'm going to leave this for 2 hours on my hair. So let me introduce you to the conditioner we are going to use today. Here, this conditioner, I bought it in DM. It costs less than €1. Yeah, we are using almost €1. So this is what we are going to use. This is intensive conditioner. So it's also very good for damaged hair. What I'm going to do, I'm not going to use only this shampoo on my hair because I don't know if it's going to work with my hair type. So I'm going to mix my own concoction. So what I'm going to do is just turn this conditioner here, much that can be enough for my hair. I have a lot of hair. It's not long, but it's a lot. So I'm going to add some of the honey inside. I love some honey so much on my hair. It make my hair feel so soft and shiny and also give my hair strength. So I'm still going to add a tablespoon of my aloe vera. We want to turn this €1 conditioner to a very rich conditioner. I'm just going to set that one aside. Here I have also shea butter. For my shea butter, I'm just using a tea tablespoon and a tea tablespoon of mango butter. I'm going to melt this and I'll be back. Here I have my melted butter. I'm going to turn everything inside and also add my homemade oil, that much, and mix everything together before it gets cold. So you see, we have a €1 hair conditioner to a very rich hair conditioner. You must not grow your hair when you have money. You can manage everything you have at home to create yourself a hair conditioner or deep conditioner, whatever you want to create. You can use any oils you have at home. It must not be exactly what I use here. Everything you have can also create a very good conditioner that you will use on your fussy hair or any kinds of hair type. Now that we have done with our conditioner, I'm just going to wash my hair. I use a cleansing shampoo and clean all my hair and come back to apply this conditioner. So this is my hair washed and it's so clean. It feels so clean right now, as you can as well tell from the camera. So I'm just going straight to apply this deep conditioner. This treatment smells so good. It feels like something you can eat. And look at, so creamy. Why is that so long? I tell you, my hair feels so easy to detangle. It's also very important to always detangle your hair in a smaller section. You see, sometimes when I start my conditioner, I just rub it all over my hair, but at the end, I detangle my hair in a very smaller section. And this pick has become one of my best detangling combs so far. So like always, I'm going to cover my plastic bag and leave my hair for 1 hour and then go in the shower and rinse the conditioner out. This is the whole hair. You see, nothing that much. This is the only thing I got out of this detangling. So I will be back after 1 hour. So this is my hair after shampoo and conditioner, and in here I have leave-in conditioner, just leave-in conditioner and nothing. And I tell you guys, my hair feels so soft and so great. I love it right now. I don't know what to do with my hair and I don't have strength for anything. I'm just going to grow my hair all back and leave it to rest a bit. So we have come to the end of this video. This is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for your time, for watching, for stopping by. Have you subscribed? Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, okay? See you in my next one. Bye.